this adrenaline. We ain't see that nigga first week, we gotta spin again. Cruise around the city in big bodies, pull up 5%. Pull up in that V, they know it's me, my whip got limo tint. Pull up in that Tonga truck, niggas moving militant. Pop that truck and fill them up, Draco hit like soccer kicks. Catch that boy in traffic, it get wicked quick. Dunk the blick, cut that beam on it, dunk the switch. He'll know where he hit. Try to spin that block, but he wasn't ready for it. Rolling with them soul snatchers, stand over, niggas going overboard. Told myself I find who chase my mans, then it's over for him. Told myself I find way to these bands, then it's over for him. Niggas not me, that's the reason I don't let. Nigga took that stand and drunk some water, know that boy a rat. Catch a hop with all black, that boy oh he getting weave, he getting laid down on his back, put him in the wood like lumberjacks. Yellow bone, she did down, and you already know her flavor. Man, niggas wanna stick me for my paper. Damn, niggas wanna get me out the way, huh? They hate that I'm shining with all these diamonds, told them take some. My nigga post up in the town and post up out the south. Don't mind them niggas, I'm that nigga that you heard about. Control the demon, beat him, make the police swerve out. Control the demon, make the police bring them birds out. Helicopters and spotlights over them buildings. I'ma go broke on the chain, niggas done touched the $500,000. Do the dash up in the range, I'm in the rain, I'm no civilian. Reach for my chain, I'm putting pain, I swear to God, gon' be a killer. They say games take time, I can microwave hits. Spin again and spin again, like a microwave dish. Matter of fact, I feel like Andy Reid, I orchestrated bliss. 7-6 to review trees, the lumberjacks should use this blit. Man, my dog will beat you up, but do you worse with a switch? They gon' do whatever I do, I told them niggas follow this. Toughest nigga out the boot, bet he can't beat a 5.56. Smoking Dallas, dig him up, put some more bullets in his mitt. Rich nigga swag, I got the guessing on my jury. Get on and stand and tell the lie straight to the jury. When there's problems, they can't stop us, they don't wanna see us. I told Osama, grab that chopper, he the Grim Reaper.